Follow the step on how to make a simple 3D editable text effect like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by creating a new document. I use this artboard size. Prepare the text. Right-click, transform, and shear. Check Preview, select Vertical, and set the angle here. Change this to white. Go to Window and activate Appearance. Click Add New Fill. Click and move under Characters. You can change color here. Click FX. Path, Offset Path. Check Preview and set it here. Click FX again, Distort and Transform, and click Transform. Check Preview. Fill copy's number. Click FX again, stylize and drop shadow. Check Preview and you can follow this setting. Double-click to edit text. You can also adjust the tilt of the text again if it's not enough. Finish. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.